Hey you guys, today I am fed up with my hair. My platinum blonde hair has turned a little bit yellow and my roots have significantly grown out and blended in here to make it look more natural instead of having this like defined line of root growth. And then put something on the ends to lighten up, maybe another toner, I'm not sure. But I'm about to head to Sally's and I will catch you later. Okay, I'm back from Sally's and you can see what I've got. I've got the T18 lightest ash blonde toner for the ends of my hair and the 7A medium smoky ash blonde for the roots. I'm going to apply the medium smoky ash blonde about an inch down and then like comb through it, and then I'm going to come back and put the T18 toner on the end, rubbing with my fingers where they meet to do a color melting, so it's not like a drastic, because that's exactly what I'm trying to get rid of, is that drastic root growth line. So I'm going to mix these up and apply. See you in a sec. Okay, so I've got my product in. You can't really tell the difference too much right now, but I put the brown or the dark blonde on the roots, and I put the platinum blonde on the ends, which always looks purple while it's processing, see? But it won't look like that after I rinse it out. So hopefully it comes out good, and I'll be back with the final color results, but it definitely won't be purple. I promise. Okay, so I'm done with my hair, and it didn't come out exactly the way I wanted, but you can see that the yellowness is gone that was there before, and my roots are more naturally blended looking. They're not a sharp line. They didn't come out as dark as I wanted them to be, so I probably should have went with a level 6 color on the roots instead of a 7, but definitely the sharp line is not there anymore. But hope this helps someone. Thank you.